Let's learn how you can create YouTube thumbnail in Canva. So first thing you want to do is to open your browser and go to canva.com website. Now this will be your home page. As you can see here to find YouTube thumbnail, you can just click on this social media button in the middle, and here you will see on this line menu an YouTube thumbnail option. So click here and this will open you an YouTube thumbnail. So there will be templates. You can find the one that suits you the best. Let's see what we can do. This one is very good, but it's pro, so we can just find something else. Everything is pro, but we can do this one, for example. Okay, let's see. So this is some blog type of thumbnail. Now you can change, for example, this tag code and set yours. You can change photos. You can change font, for example, if you want, if you don't like it. You can change this one too. You can basically change everything. You can also animate it, but for thumbnail we don't need it. You can change this for pictures if you want to set some different aesthetic. And when you're finished, you just want to click on share, then download, or you can just copy link or share it to someone, depends on what you want. You can also change it to PowerPoint if you want to edit there. You can set to Google Drive to send it to someone if you want. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.